What's up, everybody? It's your boy Randall D, Fiber Optics RLD, aka Tech Geek RLD. Anyways, I'm coming at you with another video today. I picked up an item off of Amazon, so I was like, might as well do a video on it. Might as well. So, without further ado, this is the S.G.I.N micro USB cables in the flesh. Ugh, there it is. For a dramatic effect, So, I picked up these micro USB cables off of Amazon, when you got, controllers and tablets and everything, especially the Android tablets, you can never have too many micro USB cables. So, I figured I'd do an unboxing of these. This is exactly how it came in the mail, too. It came in like a package like this. Like, the presentation is already killing me, but it is what it is. Let me go get my unboxing knife or unpackaging knife and we'll get at it. I might not need it. Let's see. I just go beast mode. Look, yeah, there, Mom. There it is in the flesh. So, didn't even need no unboxing knife. So, in the package, you get this, whatever this is. Look like some clips or something. I don't know what that is. Interesting. So you get that. Set that to the side. You also get another one. Some 3M tape on the bottom. Well, same thing. Is that the same thing as this one? Yeah. So I guess you got these little two clips. If you wanted to, I guess, run the wires. And like it was a picture of a car on there. Yeah. I guess you can run the wires through your car. What else we got? Just like a little booklet. Well, if you contact us, any problem will be solved. You hear that? That's quality assurance right there, fellas. Ladies, fellas. Get that in there and then the packaging. What else we got? Then we got the cables itself. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the back of the packaging. Made in China, S.G.I.N. S.G.I.N. in the flesh. I'm satisfied so far. Well, kind of. I could have used a box instead of this plastic, but it is what it is. So, here's the cables themselves. Nice nylon braided cables. Silver finish. USB in. Micro USB, nice sharp little clips there, perfect. This is the important part right here. This is where it gets real. This little clip. Let me show you the reason why I bought these in the first place. So, of course, these are the new cables. And of course, I bought a 3-pack, so that's what it looks like. The last set of cables I bought was by Anchor. So this is nice red nylon braided Anchor brand micro USB cable. And the problem is, like with my kids, when they use their Xbox controllers and tablets and all that good stuff, these clips right here go really bad. Like after a while, you can see the little metal clip is just not even there anymore. So when you plug it to a controller or to a tablet or anything, it's a wrap. It just doesn't, it's supposed to, click in place, but it just kind of goes in, comes out. And when it is in there like that, when it's not in there correctly, the item doesn't get charged, doesn't get a data connection, things of that nature. So Anchor makes good products. It just so happen, when you have kids, it's a wrap. These parts right here will go bad really fast. So this is the Anchor brand. This is the 3-pack S.G.I.N that I picked up from Amazon. And as you can see right there, the hook is perfect. Nice and sharp and everything. So as a matter of fact, demonstration purposes. Let's see here. Perfect. Nice, firm. It's not loose. Perfect. Thumbs up. For now, at least. The kids are going to be the ones that's going to put it to the test when they're using these on their tablets and on their Xbox controllers and all that good stuff. So, but, oh yeah, before I end the video, Let me also show y'all where I got the cables from and the price. Of course, the best place to get anything from, Amazon.com, in the flesh. So, S.G.I.N micro USB cable 3-pack, 10-foot, nylon braided charging cord. Extra long USB 2.0 sync and charge, blah, 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 blah. You know the drill. 57 reviews, almost 5 stars. 3-pack of 10-foot cables. Just runs you $12.99. That ain't bad. And it's in stock right now. And it will arrive before Christmas. You see that? That's important information right there. So make sure you get these. If you need some USB cables, these are a certified win. Pick these up with the quickness. Oh, before I end the video, they do get other colors. Of course, I chose the gray. Looks like they have a pink color or rose gold color. I ain't about that life, so of course I went with silver. So it is what it is. So, but yeah, that's it. S.G.I.N micro USB cable, charging, data transfer, official. Look at it. Look how nice and shiny it is. Look at it. Look at it. Premium. But anyways, it is what it is. It's your boy Randall D, aka Fiber Optics RLD, also known as Tech Geek RLD. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe. Hit that like button. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I get notifications on my tablet, on my iPhone. I get notifications all day, so feel free to leave comments. I will comment back, reply back, and let y'all know, what it is about these cables. So, all right, y'all, I'm out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. Deuces.